In this video, I'm going to show you how to deep clean and unclog a Shark Navigator vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner is used often in our house, and this is what it sounds like. Currently, it sucked up a glove, so somewhere in this thing is a cleaning glove, and it's clearly dirty, so I'm going to do a deep clean. This is what it sounds like when it's clogged. You can hear that most of the noise comes from down here. And when you're using it, it obviously doesn't pick up debris. So these are going to be the steps in order to clean it. Lift here to unlatch the trap. Ugh. You're going to want to also remove this sponge and this. These act as a barrier, a filter, before things get to the spinning motor that creates the suction. The dirtier this is, the less suction it's going to be able to create. So we're going to be cleaning these 1, 2, 3 pieces. And then also I need to identify where the clog is, which is going to be somewhere inside of this tube. Next step, I'm going to take the hose off to try to find the clog. I have identified where the clog is. Go on, girl. So listen to the sound difference. Sounds like a normal vacuum. I'm gonna put this on. You can hear the noise. It's stuck down here now. It's not able to cause a lot of suction because it's blocked. I should feel like a air intake in this, and I feel nothing. So I have to figure out how to get whatever is clogged in here out of this hose. All right, here's a little trick you can do. I have like a metal skewer shish kebab stick. I'm gonna go ahead and put that through one end and let it fall through, and I'll hear where the clog is. So this actually went all the way down, and you can just bend it until you find it. So it's in this flat spot right here, so I'm just gonna kind of push it through. And I can already see the glove. That was the clog. And I got the skewer out. So, is that your glove?
That's yours.
Okay. All right, now to put it back together, now that everything is clean. All right, and it should be like a brand new vacuum cleaner. Yeah, it sounds much better. The clog is clearly gone, and it creates a strong suction straight to the carpet like when it's new. So perfect. Hope this helps you.